and then they contacted Sayyid Saab and Shaista ji, who were very kind to have hosted this iftar today. Believe me, this is going to be a historical step. We are creating history because for quite some time, certain wicked people, for their own vested interests, political vote banks, this, that, have been trying to generate animosity, hatred, communal tension, communal riots, so that they can benefit politically. Now we are setting the clock back. This is the antidote to the communal poison. As you know, when you take some poison, then antidote has to be administered. So this is the first of the antidotes. Of course, we have to keep on giving many more antidotes because this has been going on since British times, when the British policy of divide and rule came in our country. So we are contributing to removing all this animosity, misunderstanding, hatred. There are in every country so many religions, but that does not mean there should be animosity or hatred. In our country, I can tell you at one time in history, Hindus used to participate in Eid and Muharram, Muslims used to participate in Holi, Diwali, and they used to all live as brothers. But gradually the British, they sowed the seeds of discord and communal hatred through their agents. And with the result that partition happened and so many, even till now, a lot of communal hatred is sought to be spread by wicked people. So we have to oppose this as patriotic people, and this is a huge step. It is going to be shown on YouTube. Because I can tell you, I put it up on my Facebook post. There was overwhelming response from all over India, even from Pakistan. You know, Mr. Hamid Mir, who is one of the most senior and highly respected journalists in Pakistan, has tweeted supporting what we are doing. So even in Pakistan, we are getting a huge support. A large number of Hindus all over India today have observed Roza today, because I appeal to them to observe Roza on 4th July. You know, we will observe Roza only one day in a month during Ramadan. Similarly, we appeal to our Muslim brothers to observe only one day fast on Navratri, not the whole of Navratri. This is also voluntary. If you want to do it, do it. Don't want to do it, don't want to do it. But it's just a token of our respect and of our solidarity, and it will contribute a large way in that direction. And we are getting tremendous support from India and even from Pakistan for what has happened today. So as soon as I get back, I'll put up all this on my Facebook post. I've already requested Santosh to send all the photographs to my friend Mr. Ankit Jain, who's in India. Will put it up immediately on the Facebook. You can see photographs of today's events on Facebook, and the video recording will be put up on YouTube and also on my Facebook page. So once again, thank you all, and particularly thanks to Sayyid Saab and Shaista ji, who have very kindly consented to give their house, placed their house at our disposal, and were excellent hostesses. And thanks to all of you who came today. This is a great thing which you have done. Thank you.